When it comes to enhancing your home's curb appeal, many homeowners in Taylor focus on landscaping, fresh paint, or updating their siding. However, one of the simplest yet most impactful upgrades is replacing your exterior doors. A new door can transform the look of your home, improve its functionality, and even increase its value. Let's explore how door replacement can elevate your Taylor home's curb appeal while offering practical benefits. First impressions matter. The front door is often the first thing visitors notice about your home. An old, worn, or outdated door can detract from an otherwise beautiful exterior. On the other hand, a sleek, stylish, and modern door can instantly elevate your home's appearance and create a welcoming entrance. Door replacement allows you to choose a design that complements your home's architectural style, whether it's a classic Victorian, modern ranch, or cozy cottage. Adding details like decorative glass inserts, sidelights, or bold colors can make your home stand out while showcasing your personal style. Boosting Taylor homes' value. Real estate experts agree. Curb appeal plays a significant role in home value. A well-maintained exterior can entice potential buyers, and a stunning front door is an excellent way to set the tone. Replacing an old door with a high-quality, energy-efficient model can yield a significant return on investment. In fact, Remodeling Magazine's annual cost versus value report consistently ranks door replacements among the most cost-effective home improvement projects. In Taylor's competitive real estate market, small upgrades like door replacement can make a big difference when it's time to sell your home. A new door signals to buyers that the property has been well cared for and updated. Durability and energy efficiency. Beyond aesthetics, replacing your door can improve your home's functionality and comfort. In Taylor, where temperatures can vary widely, energy efficiency is a top concern for homeowners. Modern doors are designed with advanced materials and technology that help regulate indoor temperatures, reducing energy costs year-round. Materials like fiberglass, steel, and solid wood offer exceptional insulation compared to older doors. Weather stripping, insulated cores, and double-pane glass options can further enhance energy efficiency. Not only does this reduce your utility bills, but it also aligns with eco-friendly living, an increasingly attractive feature for homeowners and buyers alike. Durability is another factor to consider. Older doors may show signs of wear, such as peeling paint, dents, or rot, which detract from your home's appearance. Replacing your door with a durable, low-maintenance option ensures it will look great and perform well for years to come, even in Taylor's unpredictable weather conditions. Expanding style options. Door replacement offers a wealth of options to customize your home's look. Here are some popular trends that Taylor homeowners are embracing. Bold colors. A brightly colored door, such as red, teal, or mustard yellow, adds a pop of personality and makes your home memorable. Natural finishes. Wood grain finishes and earth tones bring warmth and a timeless appeal to your entryway. Modern designs. Sleek lines, minimalistic hardware, and frosted glass elements are ideal for contemporary homes. Classic elegance. Traditional panel designs with ornate glass inserts or sidelights can complement older homes or those with a classic aesthetic. Each option allows you to tailor your door to fit your home's unique style, ensuring a cohesive and eye-catching appearance. Enhanced security and peace of mind. While curb appeal is the main focus, a new door also enhances your home's security. Modern doors are equipped with stronger materials, advanced locking mechanisms, and reinforced frames to protect your home from intruders. Whether you're upgrading to a steel door for extra durability or adding a smart lock for convenience, you'll gain peace of mind along with a better-looking home. Garage and patio doors. The bigger picture. Don't forget about secondary doors, like your garage or patio doors. These are also key elements of your home's exterior. Replacing these doors with designs that match or complement your front door can create a harmonious overall look. Sliding glass patio doors or carriage-style garage doors, for example, can enhance both functionality and curb appeal. Conclusion. The power of a new door. In Taylor, door replacement is a smart investment that boosts curb appeal, enhances energy efficiency, and increases your home's value. With a wide range of styles, materials, and features to choose from, you can find the perfect door to reflect your personality and elevate your home's exterior. Whether you're preparing to sell or simply want to take pride in your home's appearance, a new door can make all the difference. Don't underestimate the transformative power of this simple upgrade. Take the first step toward a more beautiful home today.